Legend has it that our land was fished out of the ocean. The rugged mountains, rich pastures and wide sandy beaches of Nature Coast have been millions of years in the making. With this rich and diverse heritage, its friendly inhabitants are ready with a warm welcome and invite you to experience the tranquility and charm that a new day on the Nature Coast beckons.
Have you ever climbed a mountain just to see what you can see? Have you rafted down a river as it flows down to the sea? Have you walked through lush green forests just to hear a kiwi call? You can hear on the Nature Coast, 'cause here we've got it all. We're proud to be a coaster, 'cause here we got it all. Get out there and walk the walk, and show by standing tall. Show the world you love this land, its beauty will enthrall. The Haere means welcome to visitors we call. Go to Tokomaru, top of the Spirit Lands. Come south to lakes and beaches and the beautiful clean sand. The countryside is lush and green, sky is clear and blue. Freedom is the word we use, that's here for me and you. We're proud to be a coaster, 'cause here we got it all. And show by standing tall. Show the world you love this land, its beauty will enthrall. Where Haere means welcome to visitors we call. Go throughout this land, it's there for all to see. The lakes, the rivers, the mountains, and all their majesty. We come from many nations with independent views. The people all so friendly, our skin all different hues. We're proud to be a coaster, 'cause here we got it all. Get out there and walk the walk, and show by standing tall. Show the world you love this land, its beauty will enthrall. Where Haere means welcome to visitors we call.